In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Axiom. Now, this is an updated guide. They've changed a few things and it's now much easier to do in 2025. So, in case you don't have an account with Axiom Pro yet, because you'll need one to do this, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with different features like Twitter trackers, wallet trackers, etc. And it's completely free. Everything on here is free. So yeah, if you're not using it yet, make sure that you start and basically check out the link down below. From here, to actually connect Phantom Wallet, it's very easy. Go to top right, click on your profile icon, click on Account and Security, and from here, click on Wallets and then Manage Wallets. Here, what you want to do is simply click on Import, which is this button over here, and it's going to ask you to enter your private key. There's also a warning, which applies for you as well, so you should never share your private keys with anyone, keep them secure and private, so don't share this with anyone, do it somewhere privately. After that, you want to connect to your Phantom, so open up your Phantom wallet, like this, and then you want to select your account. I have an account 1 over here. If you have multiple, just select the wallet you would like to connect. And then once you basically have that wallet is active, click on it, click on this settings icon, and then click on your account name over here, so account 1, and then it says show private key. Click on that, make sure nobody's watching, type in your password, and after you do that and press continue, it will show you your private key. Simply copy your private key, paste it in here inside Axiom, click import wallet, and your wallet will be imported from Phantom into Axiom. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.